Today we study about agriculture management. In previous class, we will study about plants. Plants known as the autotrophs. Autotrophs means they can synthesize their own food in the presence of sunlight. So they are known as the autotrophs. But animals have the parasitic nature. All the animals have the parasitic nature. It means they depend on the plant for their food. Some animals depend directly or some animals depend indirectly. Carnivorous animals depend indirectly on the plants. Okay. Now, in this chapter, we study about the crop. Plants which are grown in the definite seasons, indefinite seasons are collectively called crop. Indefinite season means for the crop production we need the seed. But all the seed have the germination power, but their germination power depends on the season, means temperature, the climatic condition, pressure, like that. Okay, so for the dependence of crop are divided in three categories. First one is Rabi, then Kharif, and the Zaid crop. Rabi, these are crops grown between October to February. October to February. Examples: wheat and mustard. Then Kharif crop are grown between June to September. June to September. Example: maize, groundnut, like that. And then Zaid crop grown between March to June. March to June. Example: watermelon, cucumber, and the vegetables which are grown in March to June. So they include in Zaid crops. Then they are grown in field, which is known as the agriculture field. Okay. So in third point we study about the agriculture practices. Agriculture practices include some steps. First one is planting. Secondly is sowing of the seed. Then providing manure and fertilizers, irrigation, crop production, fishing, then harvesting, and last one is the storage. So these one are including the agricultural practice. First one is the plugging. For plugging, we use two methods. First one is the animal, means traditional or ancient method. Then by tractor, means the modern, means in this method we use the machinery. So this is known as the modern or otherwise by tractor. The second is sowing of the seed. After putting the field or soil for the seed sowing, we use also machineries for that also. Okay. So in soil, after preparing the soil, the farmer sows the seed of the crop being grown. Before this, select the best quality of the seed. Why we use the best quality of the seed? Because we want also a good yield of the crop. Okay. So for that, plug and hoes and cultivators used for the sowing of the seed. Then after that, means after sowing the seed, we provide manure and fertilizer to the crop. Means manure and fertilizers. Manure. Manure is the natural and the fertilizer is man-made. Means it's synthesized in the factories. For example, urea. And this is manufactured by the cow dung and plant leaves like etc. So this is the natural and this is the artificial or man-made. Okay. Both are provide the energy to grow the seed. Then irrigation after plugging, sowing of the seed, providing manure and fertilizers. We need irrigation. For irrigation, we use two methods. One is traditional and the second is modern. In a traditional, we use chain pulley system. And in modern, we use tubewells. In tubewells, we use now in these days we use the sprinklers. Okay. Then after irrigation, the second step is crop production. Means after plugging, sowing, then providing manure, fertilizers, irrigation, then need the crop production from wild animals and other insectivores like ED etc. So we need crop production. Then after that crop production, next one step is harvesting. Harvesting means collection of the crop which are completely mature. So after maturation of that crop, harvesting method is applied. Then threshing to collect of the grains. Threshing method is applied by the thresher. Means it is also the machinery process. And the last one is the storage. It means after plugging, sowing, and last one is the storage process. Storage means the grain which is left by the field required to storage process also. Okay.